Today we are here with a new video of ScoreSmart. Today we are going to learn a trick on finding percentage. Let's start. Find 30% of 40. So the trick here is we just multiply the numbers 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So 30% of 40 is 12. Let us see one more example. 20% of 80. So we multiply the numbers 2 and 8. 2 times 8, 16. 20% of 80 is 16. Third example, 50% of 70. Now you know the trick. 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. Fourth one, 80% of 90. Hope you have got the trick now. Come on, solve it on your own. Hope you have solved it. So the trick is 8 times 9, which is equal to 72. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos on ScoreSmart, please subscribe to our channel ScoreSmart Private Tuitions. Thank you.